Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start a car detailing business with Detail King step by step clearly. Research the car detailing industry and your local market. Identify your target audience, such as car enthusiasts or businesses needing fleet services. Choose a business model that fits your needs, such as mobile detailing or a fixed location. Create a detailed business plan outlining your services, pricing, and marketing strategies. Register your business name and obtain any necessary licenses or permits. Invest in high-quality detailing supplies and equipment to ensure professional results. Consider training or certifications through companies like Detail King to enhance your skills. Develop a marketing strategy that includes social media, local advertisements, and partnerships. Create a professional website that showcases your services and offers online booking. Network with local businesses and car clubs to generate leads and build relationships. Establish a pricing structure that reflects your market and covers your expenses. Set up an efficient scheduling system to manage your appointments and customer communications. Provide excellent customer service to build a loyal clientele and encourage referrals. Collect feedback from clients to continuously improve your services. Monitor your financials to track sales, expenses, and profits regularly. Stay updated on industry trends and techniques to enhance your offerings. Consider expanding your services to include add-ons like ceramic coatings or upholstery cleaning as you grow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.